Poverty is a social economic phenomena in which a section of a society is unable to fulfill even its basic necessities of life, like food, shelter, clothing, and education.
The locus of poverty is in rural areas, some of which spills over the urban slums. India is concerned with the eradication of absolute poverty in the country. Poverty line is a cut-off point on the income distribution which divides the population as poor and non-poor. People below the poverty line are poor and the people above that line are average or rich. More than 750 million people are living on less than $1.90 a day in the world. Percentage of people below poverty line in SCO countries is depicted through the map. Various social issues contribute largely to poverty, like landlessness, overpopulation, and inequality. Like a tree, poverty has many roots, but one of the premier reasons of poverty is lack of education. The higher the level of education of the population, lesser will be the number of poor persons because education imparts knowledge and skills which are supportive in higher wages. It is quite visible in one of the states of India, that is Kerala. It has more than 90% literacy rate as compared to country's average of 74%, and it has the lowest poverty rate in India. Promoting opportunity is extending economic opportunities for poor people through the process of economic growth.
Facilitating empowerment means letting the participation of poor people in decision making, eliminating various forms of discrimination such as ethnic, religious, and gender, thus making state institutions more responsible and accountable to the poor.
Various programs have been initiated by the government in poverty eradication to elaborate the role of education in poverty eradication.
Midday Meal Scheme aims to avoid classroom hunger, increases school enrollment, improves socialization among castes, addresses malnutrition, and empowers women through employment. The key objective of RTE is the universalization of elementary education in India. Three important aspects of UEE are access, enrollment, and retention of all children in 16 to 14 years of age. At present, we are catering free education services to 60 plus students to the deprived children in our school.
Together, we can make a difference. Create a world of dignity for all, end poverty, and leave no one behind. With the vision of spreading awareness among the young minds regarding the relevance of sustainable development in transforming the society, our students visited 29 villages in the Transcotton region.
Poverty, in my opinion, is lack of money to a person. It also means lack of education, health, nutrition, and gender equality to a person. These all play a very big role in perpetuating poverty.
I also have some points to share. There are only 6.9% people under poverty line. Madheshri, female literacy has increased from 10.29% in 1991 to 51.20% in 2011.
Let us have a peep into the life stories of our ex-students and see what they have to say.
हम तो पढ़े लिखे नहीं, अनपढ़ है समझ लो आप। तो हमारी सोच ये थी कि भाई हमारे बच्चे कुछ पढ़ लिख के बने।
It was all my father's vision. All credit goes to my parents. But at that time even he thought that girls' education must be there, and against all the odds, against all the family, my father he fought and they continued our education till 12th. But after that they could not fight. And I got married just after 12th. Suddenly 1 month before the marriage I came to know that they are preparing for my marriage, and at that day itself I started crying and all begging in front of my father, and please I want to study and please don't do that. Beginning I don't know, I always wanted to be a doctor. It's always a great feeling obviously when your dreams come true. I'm sitting in the same classroom, I think same bench also. it was my 12th classroom, and this is the place LKSC that where I started my journey. From the nursery to 12th I was here only, so it's very emotional moment for me.
Swimmer as a personality जो बनाया वो LKS ने. From my very first district to till now, 3 universities, 7 nationals, 5 state records and many more states.
सर इसका इंटरेस्ट तो यार क्रिकेट में था, मैंने स्विमिंग में डाला. अभी बेटा स्विमिंग कर अच्छा रहेगा, हाइट बढ़ेगी, सब कुछ होगा, अच्छा रहेगा. इसने लिया तो अच्छा हुआ, बहुत अच्छा रहा. और LKS ने तो बहुत सपोर्ट किया, साहब मैम ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया मेरा, हर चीज़ से, पैसे से लेके हर चीज़. फिर कॉलेज तक अभी तक मैडम दे रही है मेरे को.
If your plan is for a year, plant rice. If your plan is for 10 years, plant trees. If your plan is for 100 years, educate children. Education, including vocational, facilitates the acquisition of skills that a family needs, not only to survive, but thrive.
Showing belief in the potential and capabilities of a child is the best way to empower his self-confidence and his desire to succeed.